Assalamualaikum. Now I am going to discuss the research paper summary on sedimentation. Sedimentation is the tendency for particles in the suspension to settle out of fluid in which they are entrained and come to rest against a barrier. This is due to their motion through the fluid in response to the forces acting on them. These forces can be due to gravity, centrifugal acceleration, or electromagnetism. In geology, sedimentation is often described as the opposite of erosion. For example, the terminal end of sediment transport. Sedimentation is often described as opposite of erosion, that is, the terminal end of sediment transport. In that sense, it includes the termination of bisaltation or true bed load transport. Now, settling is the falling of suspended particles. Settling means is the falling of suspended particles through liquid, whereas sedimentation is the termination of settling process. It is the termination of settling process. In estuarine environments, settling can be influenced by the presence or absence of vegetation. Trees such as mangroves are crucial to the attention of waves or current, promoting the settlement of suspended particles. Sedimentation may pertain to objects of various sizes, ranging from large rocks in flowing water to suspension of dust and pollen particles, to cellular suspension, to solution of single molecules such as protein and peptides. Even small molecules supply a sufficiently strong force to produce significant sedimentation. The term is typically used in geology to describe the deposition of sediment, which result in the formation of sedimentary rock, but it also used in various chemical and environmental fields to describe the motion of often smaller particles and molecules. This process is also used in biotech industry to separate cell from the culture media.